is the grandson of Roy Weatherby, the founder of Weatherby Firearms. We've got a special program set up with Dan that is going to be sending us a new Series 2 rifle here this summer for evaluation of our magazine. Dan, why don't you tell us a bit about it?
Yeah, no problem. This right here is a picture of the synthetic Series 2 model. Eventually, all of our Vanguards are going to be phased in with the Series 2 barreled action, so that means that you're going to have wood guns that are going to have the Series 2 barreled action, not only our synthetic. This rifle right here, though, is a picture of our synthetic, so all of our all-black stocks will be going out eventually, and you're going to be seeing these stocks here, which are they're going to be a dark gray color with black inserts. It's going to be a grippy, feely type of insert. It's a lot different than our other one. You're going to have a palm swell on the grip, which is nice. The stock is going to be a different stock. It's going to not only the color and the grips, but it's going to have a different texture to it, a little bumpy, real nice. The barreled action is different. It's going to have a different finish. For one, it's going to also be more of a bead blasted finish versus a spun finish. It's going to be matte blue. It's going to have a different safety, a 3-position safety, and that's going to allow you to unload the gun while you are having it on safety. The trigger's different. It's a 2-position target trigger. Really nice. Everyone's going to be coming off the rack with 3 pounds or less, adjustable. And the biggest difference, though, is that every single one of them are going to come off the line guaranteed 7 MOA. Whereas currently in the line of Vanguards, all we have 7 MOA guaranteed are our 7 MOA guns, which really nice guns. We're still going to be offering them because they have an upgraded stock and they have a lot of other features. But these are all going to be guaranteed to shoot 7 MOA.
Great. I'll tell you what, I'm really looking forward to doing a review on it. I'm excited about this one end, give it more on.
I think it'll be interesting for you to have both.